Changing teeth library, it's an option that by working out of the wizard we can do at any step, okay? So for example, here on my case, upper jaw case, as you can see, all of my teeth library are already adapted over my preparation, okay? But let's say that I am not happy with these two central and I want to change them. So if I'm gonna select them by clicking on them with the left button of the BIOS, so 1 and then Control 2, right? And then here I have different type of option, and one of them is load custom tooth model. So if I click on it and I'm gonna change to Areas, let's say library, which is one of my favorites one, and then I click OK, and then I say yes. Now I have two new teeth, right? With then now by clicking tooth placement, right? I can change them and put in the right position. Okay, so basically now I change the two teeth, right? And then I'm gonna adapt them, and I'm gonna do the reduction for the entire my case. So it's a quick video just to show you that for every single tooth at any step we have the opportunity to change our teeth library and replace with a new one. Okay.